If your TikTok account got hacked, your email changed, password locked, and TikTok is pretending you don't exist, don't panic. I'm going to show you exactly how to recover a hacked TikTok account using a method that most people don't talk about. Before trying to recover anything, you need to stop the hacker from causing more damage. First, check if your account is still visible by searching your username from another TikTok account. Then secure everything connected to TikTok. Change your email password, phone account password, and turn on two-factor authentication. TikTok doesn't care about your feelings. They care about proof. Prepare your original sign-up method, phone number or email, device info, old screenshots, previous usernames, and your approximate account creation date. Most people fail because they submit recovery forms with zero proof. Here's the DIY recovery method. Don't use only the in-app help. It often gets auto-rejected. Use TikTok's feedback system strategically. Select account and profile, then hacked account. Write short factual language with your username, sign-up method, device used, and location. No emotions, no long stories. TikTok staff scan. They don't read novels. Here's the secret. TikTok rarely fixes hacked accounts on the first ticket. Submit one ticket per day, slightly reword your message each time, and always include your username, proof, and calm tone. Different tickets reach different agents. Persistence beats luck. If the hacker removed your email entirely, create a brand new clean email and use that only for TikTok recovery. Mention clearly that the hacker removed your original email. This signals account takeover and shows you're taking security seriously. These mistakes will kill your recovery. Don't spam TikTok every hour. Don't threaten or insult support. Don't submit fake info. And don't buy recovery services. Most are scams. After you get your account back, immediately change your password, enable two-step verification, remove unknown devices, check connected apps, and turn on login alerts. Hacked doesn't mean gone forever.